My name is Greg Hackney. I'm a Major League Fishing World Championship competitor. Well, you know, I was one of those people that started fishing before I can remember. I saw pictures of me fishing way before I was old enough to remember them. I grew up in a family who hunted and fished a lot and spent a lot of time in the outdoors. I bass fished, crappie fished, catfish, pretty much anything that swam, I fished for it. At the age of 10, I attended the 1984 Bassmaster Classic. It was 45 minutes from the part of Arkansas that I grew up in. And we attended the last day, and I watched Rick Clunn, who is a legend in the sport, win the Bassmasters Classic, and he won $40,000. And it had a, I'm here today, but it had such an impact on me that there was a chance to make a living fishing, what as a small child that I loved to do. At the age of 11, I fished my first bass tournament. It was a youth tournament. I was the only competitor that fished alone in the boat alone because I had already been doing that. So I didn't know that you needed to fish with an adult. So I fished by myself. I zeroed, never caught a bass, which was probably the best thing ever because after that I started my tournament career. At the age of 17, in one of the top bass clubs in the area I grew up on, I was the points champion. I had beat all the older gentlemen. At that time, there were no kids bass clubs. They were just, you had to be 16 years or older. Most of the guys, the average age was 40 years old. So I had early success at a pretty young age fishing. Then I fished the BFLs, won the Angler of the Year in that. I actually, made it to the Redman All-American. Won a Redman Regional in East Texas, started fishing Bassmaster, started fishing FLW. It's a funny, as a kid I was living a dream, or I was dreaming about this life, and now it's a reality. And here, at 10 years old, I dreamed of being a professional angler. And here in the year of 2017, I am a Major League Fishing World Championship competitor. I've won every title in the sport of bass fishing, with the exception of two, the Bassmasters Classic and the Major League Fishing World Championship.